Hi guys, faulty headlights are a very common problem everywhere. But a very simple fix to that is this headlight renovation. I bought this from Wanda for 22 ringgit, which is not much to actually transform all your headlights into brand new ones. To begin with, you start sanding down. Just keep sanding until the surface is very smooth. After sanding, you need to remove all the dust. The best solution is using water, washing everything clean and clear. And the next step is to wrap around the headlights. Make sure that you seal every part so that when you spray, it will not go over the paint. And after that, you turn your car towards the sunlight and leave it under the sunlight for half an hour. It has to be hot before you spray. The reason is, if it's cold, it's gonna take longer to dry. And what happens is that when you spray, it will create patterns. It will look very ugly instead. So wait until it's hot under the sun and you start spraying. And when you spray, do not shake too much. Go over just like how I do it. And do not do too much or too many times. Otherwise, it will start flowing down. And it's very simple. It took me just a minute or less than a minute to spray it. And you keep shaking it before you spray. Make sure that it mixes very well. And then when you spray, you just go over once. That's it. And it transforms everything. It looks brand new. It looks clear. It's a very simple solution. If you don't like the look of your headlights, just spend 22 ringgit doing this at home. Consider it as an exercise. So thank you for watching, guys.